In the previous video, children, we have done till point number 3 of the do's of the computer system, means what all things we should do while working on the computer system. Now we will discuss point number 4. A mouse moves better on a smooth surface, so always keep the mouse on a mouse pad. If you remember, when I was explaining you the last chapter in one of the videos, when I was telling you more about the various devices that are attached to the computer, I told you that you should always keep mouse on a flat surface because then it will work properly. Same thing is written here, that we should always keep the mouse on a mouse pad. Like in this picture it is shown, this kind of mouse pad or any kind of mouse pad which provided a flat surface so that the mouse can work properly. Now fifth, you should learn everything about the computer, and for that you have to pay attention in the classroom. Means if you are not aware of the things related to computer, so you will not be able to work properly, and for that you need to pay attention in the classroom so that you learn everything related to the computer. Let's take the example of any electronic device, because we are studying about a device and what all things we can do using computers. That is why we need to know everything about the computer. Okay, so I was telling you, let's take the example of a device. Let's take the example of television. If you don't know how to operate television, if you don't know how to operate its remote, you don't know how from where it will start, how it will function, will you be able to use it? No. Same is with air conditioner. Again, it is an electronic device. If you don't know how to set the temperature, if you don't know how to set the timer, if you don't know how to switch it on or switch it off, will you be able to use the air conditioner? No. Same is with computer. Computer is an electronic device. Electricity is being used there. So if you want to use it properly, you should know everything related to the computer. Understand, children? Now, sixth point is always sit straight on your chair in front of the computer monitor. It is very important that you sit straight when you are working on the computer so that there is no damage to your back, spinal cord, neck or head or even eyes. Same thing is applicable when you are studying at home or even in the class. You need to sit straight. You were being pointed out from LKG onwards. In LKG you were being told to sit straight and do your work. Then in UKG also. Why? Because if you are not sitting straight or walking properly, it will affect your posture in the long run. You will not be able to walk or stand or like conduct any activity with confidence if you are not taking care of your posture since from the beginning. Okay, children? So this is the starting. So if your teachers or your parents say that sit straight or walk properly, then you should listen to them. Now, keep your computer room neat and tidy. Handle all the devices in a proper way to avoid their misuse. You should always keep the computer room very neat and tidy, because computer is a very sensitive machine, and if you will mishandle it or any dust or dirt will accumulate in it, it will get damaged. You should handle all the devices in a proper manner. As I said that you need to cover the devices when you are not using them, and you should always clean them periodically, from time to time you should clean them, so that they work properly, and they work properly for a long time. They do not get damaged after some time. Okay, children? So now last point is in this case is, if you are asked to move a computer equipment within the lab or even at home, unhook all equipment from the computer and avoid cable tripping. Means if any equipment, suppose if you are being told to take the keyboard somewhere, so what you need to do, you need to plug off all its wire from the device and then you need to take it, so that there is no problem with the cable or you do not fall or it does not get damaged. That is why you need to see where all it is connected and you need to disconnect it from there. Plus it is also essential so that you there is no problem of electric current. Okay, so you need to take care, and even if you are not doing it, some other person is doing, some elder people is doing, person is doing, you can tell them that my ma'am has said, or it is written in my chapter, that all the wires have to be removed and then only you can disconnect any device. Okay, so this was about all about the do's related to the computer system. In the next period we will study about the don'ts for using a computer. Okay, till then read this chapter till here once again and go through the videos again so that you can understand it better. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.